Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today I will show you the difference between Egms flakes and pearl powder. The shyness we get when we mix them in liquid soap. Many of you want to know, should we use pearl powder or Egms flakes to get maximum shyness in the liquid. I will also show you the result after leaving it for 2 months. Friends, this is a practical video, so watch full video till end and please don't skip in between the video. So let's go. This is my previous video. I am showing you a little bit of it. See, this is Egms flakes. Now see, this is pearl powder. It is greyish in color. This is liquid soap. Now I am dividing liquid soap into two parts. Now I am adding pearl powder in liquid soap. See, after mixing pearl powder in liquid soap, see the result. See the shyness. Now friends, I am adding Egms flakes in warm liquid soap. It will be better if you add Egms flakes in some hot water than mix in liquid soap, because Egms flakes is very waxy. It doesn't dissolve easily in cold liquid soap or cold water. Now see the result. Friends, this was my previous video, so I have used all the liquid soap. Now I will make fresh one and keep them for 2 months, and I will show you the result after 2 months. See friends, in this liquid soap I had added pearl powder and kept for 2 months. See the result after 2 months. See, some pearl powder has sunk at the bottom, but the shyness is still there in the liquid soap. Friends, in this liquid I had added Egms flakes. See the shyness, and it has not sunk at the bottom. See. Now I'm pouring pearl powder liquid in the bowl. Now I am adding Egms flakes liquid in the bowl. Now friends, you yourself tell me which one gives more shyness to the liquid after 2 months. Which is better? Friends, is it clear which one is better? Which one you should use for making pearly shampoo or pearly hand wash? Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. If it do, please click the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is shown on the top. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So pressing all button is very important. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.